How to add promo code after registering online on 1xBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the 1xBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you have registered your account, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to add the promo code, you need to create a bet slip first. So you can head over to any sports or games where you want to place a bet. Let's say I'll select the Premier League option for now. You can select any event where you want to place a bet. Customize your bet slip. You can enter the amount of money that you want to invest. Now, if you want to add the promo code, here you can see the promo code option. Tap on it. You can see this enter promo code field. Tap on it. You can enter your promo code over here. Once you're done, you can tap on this bet option and you can confirm your bet slip. So that's it. That's how you can easily add promo code in 1xBet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.